In this video, I will show you how to sell your domain in Unstoppable Domains. So friends, if you have a domain you want to sell, just go to this option, list for sale, and then choose this option. You have different option here, list domains registered at UAUD. Click this option, as you can see here, click on this option, and then click action. You can click action. After that, when you click action, you will see this page. From here, you can set your pricing of your domains, your all details, your domains, and then you can sell easily without any problem. So friends, this is easy steps. Just go to my domain, click list for sale. From here, complete these steps, click list of for sale, and then write your domain details, such your price and your all details, your domain name, and then complete the steps. So friends, from here you find your domains details and your offers. You can check your offer from here, offer from your domains. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this